Hey guys, welcome back to Simply at Home. Today is a video on this dress up, get up, or makeover of little kid into Lord Krishna himself. So what you're seeing right now, as we did for this photo shoot, is what you're going to be seeing. But I will also suggest certain tips for an organic way of dressing up and making up the child as Krishna. This is the first time I'm going to be using two new things, which is as far as skin is concerned, this is alta, which normally people use for dance, drama, Bharatanatyam, and other things. So, if you're going to be using such things on skin, please try it a few days earlier as a patch test for your child, because this is a photo shoot. I'm going to be trying this. If it is allergic, please do not try this on the skin. We do not want any allergic reaction in the child. And this is the first thing I'm doing because I wanted to see how long it's going to dry up. So for very young children who are probably infants, smaller kids, toddlers, when I used to dress up, these are things I have never done for hands or feet. Because this is a photo shoot, I'm going to explore all this. So for kids at that age, when I used to dress up, it was always chandan and kumkum on the face or different parts on the chest, on their arms and stuff, which also dries up and shows out well, but might not show up very well if the skin tone is also very much like a chandan color. So, hands and feet we have done. We are going to face. Again, I'm repeating here. I'm using stuff which I have at home, which is face paint on the foreheads for alternating the red and white, and eyeliners. All these things you will have to test, try, patch, try on the child, because he is a little bigger and I have tried it and there was no allergic reaction. Otherwise, please do allergic test on the skin. So we are doing face paint on the foreheads, on the cheek. Paint I have used alta. For alta, I've also used cotton and cotton buds. I'm going to be using cotton buds even for certain other things, like making those bigger round dots on the cheeks. So that's another item we will be needing. You can also buy those bun pins, which is U-shaped, to keep that straight on the forehead. You can paint that up and keep it on the forehead to give that U shape. Then comes the most important thing, which is dressing up for clothes. Now, as far as clothes and all those things are also concerned, every year I attempt only with what I have at home. So last year was kurta pajama. I can leave that in the description box below. This year is going to be more with in a cow shed along with cows and calves. So there's not going to be those long mala and all. The entire and so even for the dressing up, as you see here, thanks to Raksha Bandhan, which comes before Krishna Jayanti, always I keep collecting all the Rakhis, and that's what I tie up on the hands. Otherwise, you can simply make that simple U shape with chandan. So this is again what I have at home, and the dhoti making that you're going to be seeing now, which I'm making it very short here. I have observed this from another YouTube channel. I will leave that particular video link in the description box below, because it is very easy to see and drape. Inside such heavy items that we drape on the child, we need them to feel comfortable. So always put clothes that they are very comfortable normally with. It could be cotton pants or cotton t-shirts, whatever, on the inside. And one or two safety pins might be needed to keep this set as the child walks. Otherwise, I don't think at the hip area, if you really tie it well, you will need any safety pins there, because we do not want that to go and prick the child. Now, why we didn't need or we don't need is, we are going to drape another shawl or a dupatta at the waist, because that's how it is. All traditional way of Krishnas have that tied up nice colored stuff. So contrast, give a color contrast so that the dhoti and if you're using a top shirt, then that should also give a highlight. So I'm using this color of a shawl. Just bring it around and make one knot. Same thing is for the head area. Use two small any cloth that you have, colorful cloth or small dupattas that you have, twist it for that twirl it to give that color combination effect. Bring it around the head and one simple knot. That's all it is. One simple knot. Put peacock feathers, and next thing is jewelry. The second item I bought that I was talking about this year is the earring, the press type earring, because of this photo shoot. Otherwise, I would suggest for small children, put some round, just stick one bindi there on the ear. That itself will look nice for them. That's about it. Give the flute. All my junk jewelry comes out. Holla! Krishna is ready for photo shoot. Thank you for patiently being here. Sign